What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today we're going to talk about exclusive and why you as an owner, sometimes as a landlord, is good to give an exclusive to agent, okay? Recall previously that I spoke about exclusive contract in the previous video. Exclusive contract in the bottom line, it means that you as a landlord, you grant exclusivity to the agent to market your property, whether it's to sell or to rent out. Okay, example, you tell me, Kenny, I give only you to sell or rent out my property. That is an exclusive contract. Okay, so today we're going to talk about 3 reasons why sometimes it's a good idea to give the agent exclusive contract. Number 1, area expertise. So if the agent has been around in that area, for example like Wangsa Maju Tapak or at PJ very big. You ask one agent, I can tell you confirm, definitely cannot cover the whole PJ. So sometimes they just say, okay, I specialize in SS2, SS2, SS3, SS5 nearby there. Or like myself, Wangsa Maju smaller than PJ. So Wangsa Maju, we still have section 5, section 10, or so many places, okay? So what I'm trying to say is that if the agent actually knows the place very well, the agent will know that what is in the place, like what's the shopping mall, what's the schools above, around, where's the clinic, nearest clinic, got hospital or not, got what kind of train station, what's the name of the train station, how many train stations around, where to get the taxi or Grab, or where to send your children to international school if there's an international school around, where do they stay. That means they know the place very well. So how to know whether agents like this are experts in their area? If you stay in the house, if the house that you want to stay, want to sell or want to rent out is that you stay, you know better than an agent sometimes, okay? But most times nowadays people just go to work, come back. You might want to ask the agents these few questions, okay? And if you ask the agent, right, the agent can tell you like, okay, this place sell how much, that place sell how much the rent, or they can tell you, hey, your neighbor, that unit I rent out for them one, or that unit I sold one. You can go and ask your neighbor, which I think is a bit tough these days. We come back from work, straight away come in the house, lock ourselves. We don't even see our neighbors these days. We don't even know who the heck is our neighbor, their names, okay? So I think it's tough nut to crack lah. But basically what you can do is to ask the agent. Then I can tell you, the agent will tell you one. If the fella has been around for that place for 10 years or for a long time, the fella will tell you. Even though not 10 years also, will tell you 10 years. Sometimes most of the time you talk to them, they really like to boast. Because I don't know, they think that they boast, right, they will get your business. I don't know. But to me, if I were to ask, I would say, yes, I've been staying here for like 4 years, but I've been becoming agent, just started becoming agent. But these are the places that I found out. Okay, I do my research before I go and see the owner to get an exclusive, whether it's to sell or to rent out. I will do my research. Okay, around this area got what are the prices, what can you sell, what can you sell for, how am I going to market it very easy actually. Most of the time it's just online listing, put there and wait. But I will add my social media handles, okay? I'll add a video on YouTube like this. I'll add pictures and videos on Facebook, on Instagram, everywhere I can get reach. Telegram, co-broke with other people. That's how I can actually sell fast. This is something you can actually tell the owner. So that's why as an owner, that's why you appoint the agent. You want to sell fast, okay? So the first one is the agent is the area specialist. Okay, the agent may be the area specialist. Second, you want to appoint the exclusive is because you want to deal with just one person to be responsible. Imagine today, let's just say you have 3 keys, okay? Then you go and duplicate 2 more keys. Let's just say you got 5 sets of keys. Then you pass to 5 agents. Imagine today the agent tell you, go in your house. Now your house you already empty, you move out. Go in, then bring prospects in and out, in and out. Then you wait wait for buyer. This month, then next month. Next month, June, the electricity bill suddenly come, 300 ringgit. What happened? You found out that when after viewing, right, the agent didn't, agent or customer or whoever didn't go and switch off the aircon, didn't switch off the water, so that's why water bill and electricity bill high. So you ask one by one the agent A, you got bring customer or not? You got bring prospect view or not? Oh no, actually I whole month no prospect call me. Agent B, yeah, I got bring, but that was yesterday. Agent C, oh no, I didn't, last 2 weeks ago. So who's gonna pay? So you get the picture lah. It's like I asked 3 agents, all different answer, 5 agents, all different answer. Who is gonna pay? Who's gonna pay for my electricity and my water bill? Nobody is gonna admit that, right? So I have to pay. If you appoint an exclusive agent, you can just find an exclusive agent and say you take care of everything, right? One more thing, if let's just say you sell lock, stock and barrel and you're still staying in the house or you have things in the house, you can also appoint this agent to actually take care of the house. Like things are go missing or what. For example, let's just say you already move out of the house, but there are some things that you leave together in the house to sell. Okay, lock, stock and barrel. Unless and until the new buyer say, I placed the booking, but I don't want all this, you leave the things inside, you don't touch, okay? So, what happens if the prospect come and take the things? Or another agent come and take the things? You don't know, these kind of things can happen, okay? So the final one, number 3, is you want to protect your price. Imagine today I'm the owner. Okay, so I just appoint 5 agents. I said I want to sell 1 million, so I give to 5 agents. Do you think these 5 agents all will be put all 1 million when list you put 1 million advertising? No, right? Maybe these 3 will put 1 million, then these 2 will put 800,000. You as a buyer, what you do? You straight away go and call the 800,000. Then 800,000 will come and offer me. Then I'm tempted already. I say 1 million, but suddenly come out 800,000. How? So, if you appoint one exclusive agent, then the agent can actually say, okay, I list for 1 million. Then only the agent got the listing. Other agents who wants to come to deal direct with me has to go to this agent. Because remember, exclusive deal, if I deal with other agents within that contract period, I will still need to pay this agent and pay my exclusive agent. So both sides I need to pay. So I will of course just deal with this exclusive agent. And this exclusive agent, knowing that only me have the listing, I'll work harder. I'll work harder to protect your price. Say 1 million, okay, can. Then I will find people to co-broke with. I'm more happy to co-broke with people and get the thing sold faster because I know I'll get paid. I know I'll get paid for my work. Okay, I don't have to fight other people. Then the listing, when people see, right, let's just say there are 5 units for sale. Okay, and then my unit, because I'm the exclusive agent, only I got the listing. Only I got that picture. Other people all don't have. That picture, that video of that unit, only I got. Imagine. So the other 4 agents who also sell that place, or the other 5 agents who also sell that place, if their prospect want to see my unit, they will have to come and talk to me, right? So they have to co-broke with me. Of course, you as a buyer, you will call everybody. That's what I'll do also. But who knows? Maybe the buyer said, oh, my budget only 900,000, I can buy this place. But I die 1 million. Then come and see, I like the place. I don't mind buying it at 1 million. Who knows, right? So it depends on how you negotiate at the end of the day. Of course, not every property deserves to be exclusive. Let's be real. Some of it is totally the furnishing or nothing to be shout about. Some no furnishing at all, was exclusive. No need lah. You just want to call me exclusive also no need, because it's not unique. That's one. Okay, so it's very hard to negotiate unless the uniqueness come from the price. The price very good, but price, when it comes to price very good, the agent will definitely be able to take advantage. If the agent really know the place, the agent will be able to take advantage and take that listing for his or herself to sell. Okay, and you also appoint, right? You protect your price in a way like you also protect yourself from ridiculous offers. For example, you say you want to sell 1 million, then suddenly agent offer you 500,000. Say, sir, 500,000. You today sell or you don't sell a lot lah. This one sure cannot sell one. Sure cannot sell. They themselves press the price like that. You happy or not? Of course not happy lah. This house you work so hard for. You pay the house. You work so hard. You do renovation. You blood, sweat and tears. Got so much memories. Got kids. Got wife. Just pak tor move in until got kids, wife. Kids also so big. Now you want to sell. Then imagine agent tell you that half price like that. I say no. This one nobody buy one. 1 million nobody buy. 500k take it. Today you take. My buyer can pay cash. You angry or not? I also frustrated, angry. But if you got like this kind of exclusive agent, the exclusive agent can also like, okay, I take to the owner. Okay, then I let you know. But actually, this kind of ridiculous offer you want to take to the owner, you also CC lah. You talk to the other agent lah. Tell or owner say cannot. Or if it's a prospect buyer come and do the same thing, you can also say, hey, boss, this one I take to owner, no problem. But 500,000 you see if 500,000 I don't think you can buy because this property 1 million, if 500,000 I buy first. And some more, I also got a lot other buyers wants this at 500,000. The owner also didn't let go. The owner wants 1 million. Of course, something that's closer 800,000, something like that, then you can take 900,000 you can take That's why as an agent, you need to know why the owner is selling. You need to know what's a comfortable range to negotiate. That's why they call you real estate negotiator. You negotiate the price, you know the owner well, you know roughly where the price is, and then you find the sweet spot between the owner, the seller, and the buyer. Find the sweet spot where you both can agree upon a price. Okay, so I think that's it. Those are the 3 reasons that I can give for you to appoint an exclusive agent. Number 1 is area expertise. Number 2 is you have one agent to responsible for your house, take care of the house, okay, whether it's rent or sell. Number 3 is you protect your price, because the more agents list your property, the less likely you're going to get a good price, because people are attracted to the lowest one first. That's human nature. Okay, buyer want to buy low, seller want to sell high. Okay, that's all for me. This is Kenny here from Property Stories, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.